Hello everyone, heartily welcome back to Math Simplified by HM channel. We are in the process of exploring the engaging world of triangle similarities. Before we start today's session, make sure to subscribe to the Math Simplified by HM channel and click the bell icon. We have proved a AAA test for triangle similarity. Now we will study the AA test of similarity. Read the theorem statement carefully. When two angles of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then this condition is sufficient for similarity. This is known as the A test of similarity. Now let us write what is given in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR. Angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q. We have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We know that the angle sum property of triangles states that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of any triangle is exactly 180 degree. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now let us calculate the missing third angle for the first triangle, that is triangle ABC. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Isolating C, we get angle C is equal to 180 degree minus in bracket angle A plus angle B. Name this equation as 1. Now let us calculate the missing third angle for the second triangle, that is triangle PQR. We know angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Isolating R, we get angle R is equal to 180 degree minus in bracket angle P plus angle Q. Name this equation as 2. Now recall our given parameters. Angle A is congruent to angle P and angle B is congruent to angle Q. We can substitute these into our equation for the second triangle, that is triangle PQR. Original angle R is equal to 180 degree minus in bracket angle P plus angle Q, and we have named this as the equation 2. Now here angle P is congruent to angle A and angle Q is congruent to angle B. We replace P and Q respectively with angle A and angle B, and we get angle R is equal to 180 degree minus in bracket angle A plus angle B, but this is the right hand side of equation 1. So now let us compare the equation for our two unknown angles. We have angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B, and angle R is equal to 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B. Therefore, the remaining angle of the first triangle is congruent to the remaining angle of the second triangle. Angle C is congruent to angle R. By proving the third angles are identical, we have successfully fulfilled the requirements of the AAA similarity criteria. That is, angle A is congruent to angle P given, angle B is congruent to angle Q given, angle C is congruent to angle R proved. Therefore, by AAA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, hence proved. Thank you for learning. Keep practicing and never stop exploring the elegant logic of geometry. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to share this video, like it and subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. See you next time.